Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Dogecoin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the currently live price changes occur in the Dogecoin. What's the price changes occur in the Dogecoin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, I want to request all of you to please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. The currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.270151 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Dogecoin, so absolutely the changes is going good. That's why I appreciating Dogecoin for investment. Now guys, you can see here the last 1 hour changes of the Dogecoin is positive. The last 1 day changes of the Dogecoin is negative. And last 1 week changes occurs in the Dogecoin is positive. So only the yesterday changes of the Dogecoin is negative. And except after yesterday the changes occur in the Dogecoin is positive. Last 1 week, last 1 hour changes is positive. Only in the last 1 day changes of the Dogecoin is negative. But guys, don't worry, everything will be okay. You have to just wait. Now guys, you can see here that is the last 1 day, and it's the last 1 day they start jumping. You can see here yesterday is a falling day. That is the last 1 day price chart of the Dogecoin. And now from this chart, that's clear that now they have to make a bump here. Now in the latest situation, they start pumping. So guys, possibility that in the next 1 week, they continue this kind of pumping. But maybe possibilities, my friends, that for some time the price dumps more and more. Don't worry about these dumps. Don't worry about this time of dumps. No, that's not a big issue. Anyways, what you think about Dogecoin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.